Some of the best classic car deals aren't perfect, they're simply waiting for the right owner. Here are 20 honest vintage finds you won't want to miss. Car number 1, 1965 Dodge Dart. Price, US $2,500. Location, Springfield, Kentucky. The 1965 Dodge Dart is a running and driving compact classic powered by its original 225 cubic inch slant 6 with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, it starts, moves, and stops, while several maintenance items have already been completed, including a new fuel tank, fuel pump, carburetor kit, brake components, shocks, and a new set of tires. This is still a true project rather than a finished driver. The driver's floor is heavily rusted, the body has significant corrosion, the seat upholstery is badly torn, and the radio is not working. With a clean title and solid mechanical basics, it could serve as an inexpensive local cruiser or restoration candidate. Car number 2, 1978 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Sedan 4D. Price, US $5,000. Location, Toledo, Ohio. This 1978 Oldsmobile 98 Regency remains largely original and is finished in copper brown with a tan vinyl roof and matching cloth interior. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8, the seller states that the car has just 69,000 miles and continues to run and drive very well. Owned by only 2 people since new, this appears to be more of a preserved survivor than a restoration project. The seller is not in a hurry to sell, making this one of the cleaner and more complete full-size American luxury sedans in this price range. Car number 3, 1962 Buick Special Deluxe. Price, US $3,250. Location, Greencastle, Indiana. This rare 1962 Buick Special Deluxe is equipped with the lightweight aluminum 215 cubic inch V8 and a rebuilt 2-speed automatic transmission with fewer than 500 miles since overhaul. The seller says the car runs and drives, the floors and trunk remain solid, the tires are in good condition, and the original AM radio and headliner are still in excellent shape. It does have a few issues that should be addressed before regular driving. The brakes are slightly sticky, the cooling system needs attention because the engine can overheat, and the passenger door was damaged during transport. A replacement door is included, making this an honest restoration or hot rod project with very little rust. Car number 4, 1965 Oldsmobile 98 LS. Price, US $5,000. Location, Massillon, Ohio. This full-size 1965 Oldsmobile 98 is described as a strong running cruiser with approximately 87,000 miles. Powered by a 425 V8 and automatic transmission, it features power windows, power seats, good brakes, and a clean title in the seller's name. Unlike many large classics of this era, the seller reports there are no rust holes in the body, floors, or trunk. The only notable cosmetic issue is a rusty rear bumper, while the rest of the car is presented as a dependable driver that could be enjoyed immediately or gradually improved. Car number 5, 1965 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D. Price, US $4,000. Location, Imlay City, Michigan. This 1965 Ford Thunderbird is powered by a 390 V8 backed by an automatic transmission and comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, and several factory power options. The seller says the engine runs well, and many brake components, including the booster, master cylinder, proportioning valve, and lines, have already been replaced. The project is not finished yet. The brake system still needs to be completed and bled, the front window motors require replacement, and the fuel system should be checked before regular use. It will be sold with paperwork to obtain a title, since the original Alabama title is unavailable. Car number 6, 1975 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, US $3,500. Location, Vincennes, Indiana. This 1975 Camaro LT is a running and driving project powered by its original 305 V8 and automatic transmission. It has a new fuel tank, an Edelbrock carburetor, dual exhaust, and includes a collection of extra parts that come with the sale. The seller is clear that this is not a finished car ready for daily commuting. Rust is present around the rockers and wheel wells, and it would benefit from further restoration, although it remains capable of being driven and represents an affordable second-generation Camaro project. Car number 7, 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, US $5,000. Location, Deerfield, Illinois. This one-owner 1971 Chevrolet Camaro retains its original 307 V8 and automatic transmission. Mechanically, the seller describes the car as running very well and remaining largely stock, with an optional set of Chevrolet rally wheels available separately. Its biggest drawback is paperwork rather than mechanical condition. The seller misplaced the title after purchasing the car, so that issue will need to be resolved. Aside from the missing title, it appears to be a complete running classic with plenty of restoration potential. Car number 8, 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Hardtop Coupe 2D. Price, US $4,500. Location, Bedford, Pennsylvania. This 1977 Corvette C3 features a manual transmission and a replacement 1973 400 cubic inch V8 with 4-bolt mains and a 4-barrel carburetor. According to the seller, it runs and drives, while the fiberglass body remains straight despite faded paint. The interior will need a complete refresh, and the engine is no longer the factory original unit. Even so, the car presents itself as a usable C3 project with solid fundamentals and room for cosmetic improvements over time. Car number 9, 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass station wagon. Price, US $5,000. Location, Poplar Grove, Illinois. This 6-passenger 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass wagon is powered by its original 350 V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The seller reports that it runs well, shifts firmly, drives properly, and has received new wheels, tires, shocks, and springs. Several original parts are included with the sale, including seats, tailgate glass, and the original grille assembly. It currently runs from a temporary fuel source because the factory fuel tank was removed, but overall, the wagon is described as solid and is being sold strictly as is. Car number 10, 1979 Ford Fairmont. Price, US $3,000. Location, Greer, South Carolina. Powered by a straight-six engine and automatic transmission, this 1979 Ford Fairmont remains a running and driving classic according to the seller. It appears complete enough to be enjoyed while gradually improving the mechanical and cosmetic details. The seller also mentions that the car still needs additional work before becoming a dependable driver. Offered for $3,000 or possible trade, it represents a straightforward budget project for someone interested in one of Ford's overlooked late 1970s platforms. Car number 11, 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Price, US $4,750. Location, Trenton, Ohio. This 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass is powered by its factory 330 cubic inch V8, backed by a 2-speed automatic transmission. The seller describes it as a complete project with a solid foundation and says it has been sitting among several other projects. The body has some rust, but it is described as relatively minor for its age. It appears to be a good starting point rather than a parts car, with most major components still intact. The car is not yet ready for regular road use and will require additional work before it can be considered dependable. It is being sold because the owner wants to reduce the number of unfinished projects. Overall, this is an honest restoration candidate for someone looking for a mid-1960s Cutlass with its original drivetrain and a reasonable entry price. Car number 12, 1975 Chevrolet Vega. Price, US $3,300. Location, Hampstead, North Carolina. This 1975 Chevrolet Vega is being sold with a small block Chevrolet conversion package rather than as a completed build. Included are headers, an SBC swap kit, an S10 rear axle, and front hubs for a 5-lug conversion. The seller also includes a clean title, making the paperwork straightforward for the next owner. The listing focuses more on the included components than on the current operating condition. Because no running or driving claims are made, buyers should view this as a project that still requires assembly and planning before returning to the road. For someone interested in building a V8-powered Vega from the ground up, much of the major swap hardware is already included. Car number 13, 1971 Dodge Dart. Price, US $1950. Location, Charlotte Hall, Maryland. This 1971 Dodge Dart is described as a decent project that still runs and can move around the yard under its own power. It comes with a clean title and retains enough originality to begin a restoration. The seller notes light rust in the right rear frame rail, while the floor pans are generally decent but still need some repair work. Its biggest mechanical concern is the complete lack of brakes, making trailer transportation necessary despite the engine running. Considering the price, this Dart offers a realistic starting point for someone willing to repair the brake system and address the rust before putting it back on the road. Car number 14, 1975 Lincoln Continental Mark 7 LSC Sedan 2D. Price, US $5,000. Location, Irwin, Pennsylvania. This 1975 Lincoln has reportedly spent many years in storage and shows just under 25,000 original miles, according to the seller. It runs well, shifts smoothly, and appears to have remained largely intact during storage. The floors and frame are described as being in excellent condition, with only minor rust showing on the front fenders. Although operational, the seller recommends going through the vehicle before putting it into regular service after its long period of storage. For buyers seeking a low-mileage, full-size luxury classic with a solid structure, this appears to be one of the cleaner cars in the group. Car number 15, 1978 Chevrolet El Camino SS. Price, US $4,000. Location, Rocky Mount, North Carolina. This numbers-matching 1978 Chevrolet El Camino SS retains its original 350 small block V8 and automatic transmission. The seller says it runs and drives and recently received a new water pump. The exterior reportedly has very little rust, while the interior remains in good condition with functioning power accessories. The engine currently produces smoke, so additional mechanical work should be expected before considering it a dependable driver. With its mostly complete condition and original drivetrain, this El Camino represents a solid restoration candidate despite the missing title, which will be replaced by a bill of sale. Car number 16, 1965 Dodge Dart 270. Price, US $1,200. Location, Burlington, North Carolina. This 1965 Dodge Dart 270 is being offered strictly as a parts or donor vehicle. It still has its slant 6 engine, although the automatic transmission is no longer installed. The body has extensive rust throughout, and the car does not include a title, limiting its usefulness as a restoration project. The interior is described as fair, meaning some components may still be reusable for another Dart restoration. At this price, it is best suited for buyers looking for spare parts, rather than someone searching for a complete project car. Car number 17, 1978 Ford F-150 Long Bed. Price, US $4,500. Location, Freetown, Indiana. This custom 1978 Ford F-150 runs and drives and has received extensive recent engine work. New cylinder heads, lifters, oil pump, thermostat, gaskets, plugs, and other top-end components have already been installed. Underneath, the truck is described as solid, including the cab mounts, bed mounts, and factory dual exhaust. Brand new tires have also been fitted. The body still requires cosmetic attention, and the seller believes the valve train may simply need rocker shims to finish sorting out the engine. Overall, it appears to be a mechanically promising pickup with solid bones, requiring mostly final adjustments and bodywork rather than a complete rebuild. Car number 18, 1979 Chevrolet C10. Price, US $3,900. Location, Frankfort, Kentucky. Powered by a 350 V8 and TH350 automatic transmission, this 1979 Chevrolet C10 is described as a good running truck with a strong engine sound and a clean Tennessee title. The truck has rust in the common locations expected for its age, but the seller does not describe it as structurally severe. It could continue being driven as it sits, or become the basis for a future short bed conversion project. With solid mechanical performance already in place, most of the remaining work appears to be cosmetic rather than mechanical.
Car number 19, 1979 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed. Price, US $4,000. Location, Statesville, North Carolina. This 1979 Chevrolet pickup features a built 350 engine and a built automatic transmission. According to the seller, it runs, drives, and has served as a dependable daily driver for more than 10 years. The truck carries a clean title and remains complete enough to continue driving immediately if desired. Typical rust is present, although the seller says it is not excessive for a truck of this age. It offers an honest balance between usability and restoration potential, making it suitable for someone who enjoys improving a classic while still putting miles on it. Car number 20, 1968 Dodge D500. Price, US $900. Location, Ashland, Missouri. This 1968 Dodge D500 dump truck is one of the lowest priced vehicles in the collection. It features a Poly 318 V8, a 2-speed rear axle, a functioning dump bed, and comes with a title. The truck reportedly ran and drove to its current location, but several important issues remain unresolved. It has no working brakes, the starter does not always engage, especially in cold weather, and the seller recommends bringing a trailer or winch for transport. Despite its rough condition, it remains a complete heavy-duty truck that could serve as a restoration project, a farm truck, or a source of usable vintage components. Thanks for watching. Tell us which classic you'd rescue first, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more honest classic car finds in the next video.